Vermi compost is the best among all. Production of this is not so difficult. Release half a kilogram of earthworms in the compost box at 25 to 30 days stage of its filling. Put dry leaves, cow dung, etc. again. Keep it moist by sprinkling water. Do not water in excess, which suffocates the worms. Earthworms feed on partially decomposed organic matter and produce tea powder like compost in 45 to 50 days. Stop watering for 2 to 3 days. Earthworms will move to lower layers. Then collect the compost from the top. Put organic materials again and continue the process. Do not put acidic materials like rind of lime, sambar, etc. to the vermi compost box. Tie the vermi compost in a cloth bag and dip it in water for a few hours. This deep-colored liquid with lot of nutrients and hormones is the vermi compost extract. Drenching or spraying this to the plants will produce excellent growth. Avoid ants, rat and mouse attacking the vermi compost box. Cover the box with mesh to prevent birds catching these worms.